Hello everyone, this is Gaurav from Fun Travel Food. Welcome back to my channel. It is said that when life gives you lemons, make a lemonade out of it. It is a proverbial phrase used to encourage positivity in the face of misfortune. But today we are not going to make a lemonade out of lemons. We are going to make elder brother of lemonade, which is Virgin Mojito. And not one version, 3 versions of it. So stay tuned. Let's begin the action. My favorite is Pomegranate Virgin Mojito. Which one is yours? Write me a comment. And if you have liked the video, share it and subscribe to my channel if you haven't done it so far. You can even visit my website funtravelfood.com. I have provided a link in the description box where you can read about travel tips, travel experiences, food and drink recipes. You can even shop there as I'm an Amazon affiliate now, so I have provided various links especially to purchase travel essentials and related product and at no extra cost. See you guys. Bye for now. Stay safe. Bye.